students, today we will study first chapter of English grammar. But before we begin, I want to ask you some questions. Tell me the name of some things you see around yourself. Table, chair, bed, a pen, glass. Good. Now tell me the name of some person you see in your daily life. Your mom, dad, you, your teacher, your friend, etc. Now tell me the name of some animals. Cow, dog, etc. etc. Do you know what are these words called? These are nouns. Nouns are the naming words. Now see, what is noun? A noun is a person, place, animal or a thing. Person like uncle, your mom, your friend, a boy, sister, brother, doctor. These all are noun. Now place like library, hotel, school. These all are noun. Things like fruit, balloon, cake, hand wash, sanitizer. Your mask. These all are also noun. Animals like cock, hen, goat, dog, fish. These all are noun. What is noun? A noun is a name given to a person, place, animal or thing. I repeat, a noun is a name given to a person, place, animal or thing. For example, a boy. A boy is noun. This dress, it is also noun. This marker, this is noun. Now we will move to our next topic. But before we begin, I want to show you something. ये क्या है? What is this? These are biscuits. Biscuits क्या हैं? Biscuit is common noun. But if I tell you this is Parle-G and this is Marigold, Parle-G and Marigold are proper noun. क्या होता है common noun and proper noun? Common noun names a general person, place, animal, thing or idea. जब हम किसी जनरल पर्सन, प्लेस, किसी एनिमल या फिर किसी थिंग की बात करते हैं तो वो कॉमन नाउन होता है. बट व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट अ स्पेसिफिक पर्सन, अ पर्टिकुलर पर्सन, प्लेस, एनिमल और थिंग, इट इज प्रॉपर नाउन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ये क्या है? व्हाट इज दिस? दीज आर टॉफीज. टॉफी इज कॉमन नाउन. बट व्हेन आई टेल यू ये लंडन बेरी टॉफी है, लंडन बेरी इज प्रॉपर नाउन. पर्ल्स, पर्ल्स इज प्रॉपर नाउन. What is this? This is a color. But when I tell you this is a camel color is proper noun. But color is common noun. Now let's understand common noun and proper noun. Festival. Festival कोई भी festival हो सकता है. Festival is common noun. But holy, holy is proper noun. Park. कौन सा park? कोई भी park हो सकता है. Park is common noun, but company garden is proper noun. Day. Which day? We don't know. Day is common noun. Tuesday. Tuesday is proper noun. Month. Month is common noun. May. May is proper noun. Pen. It can be any pen. But when I tell you this pen, classmate pen, it is proper noun. I hope you understand what is common noun and proper noun. हम इसे एक्सरसाइज में बेटर समझेंगे. Now we will move to our next topic. But before we begin, I want to show you something. What is this? A pen, right? A pen. But now 4 pens. डिफरेंस नोटिस किया? अ पेन बट 4 pens. A pen is singular, but when we have more than one pen, it is plural. Now, let us understand what is singular and plural noun. Singular noun names one person, place, thing or idea. जब हम किसी एक पर्सन, किसी एक प्लेस, किसी एक थिंग की बात करते हैं तो दैट इज सिंगुलर नाउन. बट प्लूरल नाउन नेम्स मोर देन वन पर्सन, प्लेस, थिंग और आइडिया. प्लूरल नाउन एक से ज्यादा पर्सन, प्लेस, थिंग या आइडिया की बात करता है. Okay, children, now we will see some more examples of singular and plural noun. See, a boy, but 1, 2, 3, 3 boys. A boy, but 3 boys. This is a toffee. A toffee, but many toffees. Toffee, toffees. Now we will see how singular noun are changed into its plural form. In most of the cases, we have to add s. For example, dog. Dog is singular noun. If we have to make it plural, we have to add s. Dog, dogs. Dog is singular and dogs plural. Book, books. Park, parks. Girl, girls. Chair, chairs. Okay? Now the next rule is for the nouns which ends with s, sh, ch, x, z and double s. In the case of noun that ends with s, sh, ch, x, z and double s, we have to add es. For example, dress. Dress is singular. Double s, dress. If we have to make it plural, we have to add es. Dresses. Bus, buses. Box, boxes. Class, classes. Beach, beaches. Now, our third rule is for the noun that ends with y. What we have to do is we have to change y into I and add es. For example, cherry. C-H-E-R-R-Y. Cherry. What we have to do? We have to cut y and add I-E-S. Cherry, cherries. Baby, babies. Candy, candies. Story, stories. Family, families. Now children, there are some words which are completely different in their plural form. We cannot add s, we cannot add es and we cannot add ies in those words. For example, man. If we have to change man into plural, we cannot add s. We cannot say mans. We cannot say manis. We cannot say manis. If we have to change man into plural, we have to say men. Man, men. In the same way, child. चाइल्ड को प्लूरल में चेंज करने के लिए हम चाइल्ड्स नहीं बोल सकते. वी हैव टू से चिल्ड्रन. चाइल्ड, चिल्ड्रन. टूथ, टीथ. टूथ, टीथ. माउस, माइस. फूट, feet. Now, some plural nouns are same as their singular. कुछ plural noun ऐसे होते हैं जो singular और plural दोनों में सेम होते हैं. इजी है ना? Like sheep, sheep. sheep को plural में चेंज करने के लिए sheeps नहीं बोलना है. sheep, sheep. deer, deer. They are same as their singular. Now, some nouns are always in plural form. कुछ noun हमेशा plural form में होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल शॉर्ट्स, ट्राउजर्स, गॉगल्स, ये हमेशा प्लूरल फॉर्म में ही होते हैं. शॉर्ट नहीं बोलते हम, ट्राउजर नहीं बोलते, गॉगल नहीं बोलते. These are always in their plural form. Hope you have understand the concept. Now let's move towards the exercise. Open page number 5 of your English grammar book. Exercise number A. There are two nouns in each sentence below. What we have to do? We have to circle them. Okay? I will do 2 or 3 exercise for you and rest you have to do by yourself. So question number 1. 3 young boys sat on the chair near them. इसमें कौन से 2 nouns हैं? Boys and chair. ये 2 noun है ना? What you have to do? You have to circle the nouns. Okay? Question number 2. Each girl took a pen with her. Each girl took a pen with her. 2 nouns कौन कौन से हैं इसमें? Girl and pen. So we have to circle girl and pen. Question number 3. Many trees had been cut down with axes. अब इसमें कौन कौन से 2 noun हैं? Let's find out. Trees. Trees noun है and axes ये noun है. So we have to circle trees and axes. Children, now it's your turn. You have to do the remaining exercise by yourself. Okay, let's move towards exercise number B. Here 2 nouns are given in each question. What you have to do? You have to frame a sentence using the nouns given in the question. Okay, in question number 1, loaves and shoes. There are 2 nouns, loaves and shoes. What we have to do? We have to make a sentence using these 2 nouns. क्या sentence बन सकता है? Let's see. The cobbler mends shoes to earn loaves for his family. The cobbler mends shoes to earn loaves for his family. In the same way, question number 2, there are 2 nouns, cloud and uncle. You have to frame a sentence in which cloud और uncle दोनों noun का use होना चाहिए. And what you have to do? After framing sentence, you have to underline noun. Like यहाँ पे मैंने किया है cobbler and loaves को underline. तो आप जब क्वेश्चन के सेंटेंस बनाएंगे तो उसमें नाउन को अंडरलाइन करना है. ओके, नाउ लेट्स मूव टू नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज. पेज नंबर 6. यहाँ पे क्या करना है? लुक एट द ऑब्जेक्ट्स, राइट देयर नेम्स इन द टेबल गिवन बिलो. देखो यहाँ पे कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट्स की इमेजेस दी हुई हैं. व्हाट वी हैव टू डू? वी हैव टू लुक एट इट एंड वी हैव टू काउंट वेदर इट इज सिंगुलर और प्लूरल. क्या होता है सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल? बताया था ना. सिंगुलर जहाँ पे ओनली 1 नाउन होता है एंड प्लूरल जहाँ पे मोर देन 1 नाउन होते हैं. ओके, सो हाउ मेनी स्टार आर देयर? 1 2 3 4 5 स्टार. सो स्टार्स इज प्लूरल. कंप्यूटर, here is only 1 computer, so computer is singular. Elephant, कितने elephant हैं यहाँ पे? 1, so elephant is singular. In the same way, you have to look at each and every object and write whether it is singular or plural. Now, let's move towards exercise D. What we have to do here? We have to make the nouns plural. Okay? Number 1, tank. Tank का plural tanks. Tank, tanks. Glass. Glass का plural क्या होगा? Glass के end में क्या है? double S. So what we have to do? We have to add ES. Glass, glasses. Now gas. Gas में आपको क्या add करना होगा? ES. You have to do it by yourself. Okay, you have to do the remaining questions by yourself. Now exercise number E. E में क्या करना है? Write plural for singular nouns with the endings given. यहाँ पे ending दी हुई है noun की, noun नहीं दिया हुआ है. यहाँ पे noun की सिर्फ ending दी हुई है कि noun किससे end होगा. And you have to make plural by yourself. Double S. अब double S से कौन सा noun end हो सकता है? Let's guess. Glass. Glass है ना, glass के end में double S. So glass, glasses. अब एक और, you have to write by yourself. CH. CH से क्या end हो सकता है? Lunch. Maybe. Lunch का plural lunches. Now you have to think CH से और कौन सा noun end हो सकता है and make plural. SH. Bush. Bushes. S. Lens. Lenses. Now in the same way you have to fill in the blanks in the same way. Okay, you have to make one plural noun by yourself ending with these words. Now let's move toward exercise number F. What we have to do in exercise F? We have to make plural of the noun given. One is done for you. Fairy. Fairy का plural क्या होगा? Fairy के last में F है. What we have to do? We have to remove Y and add IES. Fairy, fairies. Library, libraries. Now you have to do the remaining exercise by yourself. Question number G. Write the singular form of each noun. यहाँ पे जो भी nouns दिए हैं इसके singular form लिखने हैं. Plural is given and you have to write singular form. Feet. Feet का plural, feet का singular क्या होगा? Feet का foot. Women. Women का singular woman. Mice. Mice का singular mouse. Now you have to do these by yourself. Exercise H. यहाँ पे क्या करना है? Circle the words which have no singular form. अब यहाँ पे एक box given है, इसमें देखना है कि कौन से words ऐसे हैं जिसका singular नहीं होता है. And we have to circle those words. Pants. Pants का singular होता है pant? होता है? No. So we have to circle pants. Scissors. Scissors singular में use होता है? नहीं. So we have to circle scissors. In the same way, we have to look at each word and circle those words which have no singular form. Okay students, this is all for today. Hope you have understand. See you in the next chapter. Thank you.